Let's create an SPL token mint on Solana using TypeScript. We start by importing from Solana Kit and the system and token programs. From @solana-kit, we import the RPC factory, key pair generation, transaction helpers, and the pipe function for composing transactions. From @Solana program system, we get the create account instruction. And from @Solana program token, we get initialize mint, get mint size, and the token program address. We create an RPC connection to a local validator and generate a key pair for the fee pair. We airdrop one SOL to fund the fee pair. Next, we generate a new key pair that will be the address of our mint account. We calculate the space needed using getMintSize and then fetch the minimum rent balance for that space. Now, the key part. We need two instructions. First, we create an account using the system program. This allocates the space, pays the rent, and assigns ownership to the token program. Second, we initialize the mint data using the token program. We pass the mint address, set 9 decimals, and set the fee payer as the mint authority. We build the transaction using pipe. This creates a version 0 message, sets the fee payer, adds the block hash for lifetime, and appends both instructions. We sign the transaction with both signers, the fee payer and the mint key pair. Then send and confirm it. When we run this code, we see the new mint address and the transaction signature logged to the console.